Cause you can talk some smack about my wife, and you can talk some smack about